Why do you understand English but still feel afraid to speak? Today, we fix that.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hi everyone, we're really glad you're here.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, we are talking about something many learners struggle with.
How to speak English confidently.
Let me ask you something. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you speak?
That happens to many people.
Yes, you know the words, you understand sentences, but when you try to speak, you stop.
You feel afraid.
Exactly. Afraid of mistakes, afraid of people, afraid of speaking wrong.
But today, we are going to change that.
First, let's understand the problem. Why do we feel nervous?
Because we want to be perfect.
Yes, we think, I must speak perfect English.
But that is the biggest mistake.
English is not about perfection. It is about communication.
You don't need perfect grammar. You need simple words and confidence.
Let's start with a very simple idea. Speak simple English.
Don't try big sentences.
Start with small sentences.
For example, I am tired. I am happy. I go to work.
That's enough. Repeat after us.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I go to work.
I study English. See? Very easy.
Sometimes we think, this sentence is too simple.
But simple is powerful.
Even native speakers use simple English.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Most learners are afraid of mistakes.
But mistakes are good.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning.
So don't stop speaking.
Speak, even if it's not perfect.
Hi, Abhi. How are you? I am good.
See? Simple, correct, confident.
Confidence comes from practice.
Yes, you must speak every day.
Even if it's only 5 minutes.
Speak alone, speak with friends, speak with yourself.
Yes, talking to yourself is okay.
Yes, it's not crazy. It's practice. Repeat after us.
I can speak English.
I am learning every day.
I am not afraid.
I will try again. Say this every day.
I can speak English.
Great job.
You just started your confidence journey.
In part 2,
We will learn how to speak longer sentences.
and how to think in English.
See you in part 2.
2, think in English and speak naturally. What if the real problem is not your English, but your fear of thinking too much before speaking? Hey everyone, welcome back. Hi everyone, welcome to part 2. In part 1, we talked about fear. Yes, fear of mistakes, fear of speaking wrong. And today, we will learn something very important. How to think in English. Why translation is a problem. Many learners do this. First, they think in their language. Then, they translate into English. Then, they speak. Yes, and that takes too much time. Exactly. And while you are thinking, you become nervous. Then confidence goes down. So today, let's stop translating everything. Target 1. Think with small English words. You don't need difficult English in your mind. Start with very small thoughts. For example, I am hungry. I am tired. I need water. Simple thoughts. Simple English. Repeat after us. I am hungry. I need coffee. I am busy. I want to sleep. Very good. Honestly, I think about coffee many times a day. I think every English learner understands that. Now let's do a fun exercise. Look around you. Describe what you see in English. For example, I see a chair. I see a phone. The room is quiet. This helps your brain think in English naturally. Abhi, look around. What do you see? I see a laptop. I see a microphone. And I see coffee again. Of course you do. Another important thing. Slow English is good English. Many learners try to speak very fast. But fast speaking is not confidence. Clear speaking is confidence. Exactly. Speak slowly, speak clearly. Repeat after us, slowly. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I will keep practicing. I am becoming confident. Confidence grows when English becomes part of your life. Yes, not only during study time. Use English in small daily moments. For example, think in English while cooking, or while walking, or while driving. Even simple things help. For example, I am making tea. I am going to work. The weather is nice today. Very small sentences, but very powerful. Sometimes I talk to myself in English at home. Really? Yes, and sometimes I answer myself too. Okay, maybe that is a little strange. Maybe, but it helps. One more important thing. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Yes, some people speak fast. Some people speak slowly. That's okay. Everyone learns differently. Focus on your progress, not someone else's progress. Now repeat after us. I am improving every day. I don't need perfect English. Simple English is enough. I can speak with confidence. Remember this. Confidence is not magic. Confidence comes from practice. Small practice every day. Step by step. Amazing job today. Now you know how to start thinking in English. In part 3, we will learn how to continue conversations naturally and how to stop awkward silence. See you in part 3.
Let's fix awkward silence in English. Hey everyone, welcome back. Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here again. In part 1, we learned how to stop fearing mistakes. And in part 2, we learned how to think in English. Now it's time for something very important. Yes, how to continue a conversation naturally. Many learners can answer one question, but after that, silence. Exactly. For example, how are you? I'm fine. And then, nothing. The conversation dies. But don't worry. Today we'll learn how to keep talking naturally. The easiest way to continue a conversation is to ask a question back. Very simple. For example, how was your day? My day was good. How about yours? Perfect. That small question keeps the conversation alive. Repeat after us. How about you? What about you? And you? How was your day? Hi, Abby. How are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm great, thank you. See? Easy. Don't stop after one sentence. Add a little more detail. For example, my day was good. I went to work. Or, I'm tired because I worked all day. Small details make conversations feel real. Sometimes learners think, I need long, perfect English. Nope. Even native speakers use short sentences. Exactly. Natural English is usually simple English. Now let's learn reaction words. These words make you sound friendly. For example, really? Nice. That's great. Oh, wow. These small reactions make conversations feel alive. Abby, I watched a movie yesterday. Oh, really? What movie? A comedy movie. Nice. Was it funny? Yes, very funny. Sometimes there is silence in conversations, and learners panic. But silence is normal. You don't need to speak every second. Take a breath. Think slowly. Then answer. Here are some easy questions you can ask. What did you do? Where did you go? Did you enjoy it? These questions help conversations continue naturally. Repeat after us. What did you do? Where did you go? Did you enjoy it? How was it? Hi, Abby. How was your weekend? It was good. I went out with friends. Oh, nice. Where did you go? We went to a restaurant. That sounds fun. Did you enjoy the food? Yes, the pizza was amazing. You always talk about food. Food is important English vocabulary. That's true. Sometimes learners think, I need long, perfect English. Nope. Even native speakers use short sentences. Exactly. Natural English is usually simple English. Confidence is not only words. It's also energy. Yes. Smile when you speak. Use emotion. Even simple English sounds better with positive energy. Repeat after us. I can continue conversations. I can ask questions. I don't need perfect English. I just need practice. Remember, good conversations are not about difficult words. They are about connection. Simple English can create real conversations. Amazing job today. You're becoming more natural and confident. In part 4, we'll learn how to speak confidently with strangers and how to stop feeling nervous in public conversations. See you in part 4.
Do you feel nervous speaking English with new people? Today, let's become more confident in real conversations. Hey everyone, welcome back. Hi everyone, welcome to our final part. In part 1, we stopped fearing mistakes. In part 2, we learned how to think in English. And in part 3, we practiced real conversations. Now today, we talk about something many learners fear: speaking English with strangers. Many learners feel comfortable speaking alone, but when a real person appears, everything changes. Your heart beats fast, you forget words, you feel nervous. Yes, even easy English suddenly feels difficult. But here's the truth. Most people are not judging your English. They just want to communicate. Don't start with long conversations. Start small. For example, hello, how are you? Nice weather today. Very simple, very natural. Hi Abby, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm doing great. Nice weather today, right? Yes, it's beautiful outside. Small talk means short, friendly conversation. People use small talk everywhere. At work, in shops, at school, even in elevators. And small talk builds confidence. Another big fear is accents. Yes, many learners think, my accent is bad. But accents are normal. Everyone has an accent. Even native English speakers have different accents. American accent, British accent, Australian accent. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Sometimes my pronunciation is not perfect too. Really? Yes. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time. That actually makes me feel better. Confidence is not only your voice, it's also your body language. Stand straight. Smile. Look relaxed. Even if you feel nervous inside, your body can help you feel stronger. Let's imagine you are in a coffee shop. Okay. You want to order coffee in English. Excuse me? Can I get a coffee, please? Sure. What size would you like? Medium, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Perfect. Simple, polite, confident. Many learners say sorry too much. Yes. Sorry for my English. Sorry, my English is bad. Stop doing that. You are learning. That is something to feel proud of. Instead of apologizing, just speak. Say this with us. My English does not need to be perfect. I am improving every day. I can speak with confidence. Confidence grows slowly. Every small conversation matters.